Welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can take a break from Facebook. So for that you have to deactivate your Facebook account. So there are two options in like Facebook. One is like deactivate, another one is like delete. If you delete your account, it will be permanently deleted, and if you like deactivate it, it will be appear as deleted to others, but it won't be actually deleted. You can like re-log in anytime to like activate it again. So basically that would be taking a break from Facebook. So for doing that you have to go to Facebook and you have to click on account settings here. Then you have to click on settings and privacy, and then you have to click on settings. In here you will find the option your Facebook information. Click on that, and here you will find deactivation and deletion. You have to like click on view, and you have to click on deactivate account, and you have to proceed with the steps. Facebook will guide you how to do the rest. You just have to answer some question and like click on deactivate and like put in your password. So I'm not currently going to like do that because I don't want to deactivate the account. But all you have just have to do is put your password and click on continue, and they will ask you why you are deactivating it. You have to just select that you are taking a break. So that's how you basically can deactivate your Facebook account. If you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe, and also thank you very much for watching this video.